Welcome back. In this Sabre Production feature video, I am going to show you how we created the ability to be able to hide $0 lines on a posted sales invoice. So if we jump into the software here, we're going to see our usual Business Central landing page. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to search for posted sales invoices. So you'll see this looks very much like the screen that you're used to seeing. So under the print here, I'm going to click on a print. So the hide zero lines is the new Boolean option that we added to the request page. So if this is disabled or turned off like it is now, it would print the same way that Business Central prints out of the box, where regardless of whether or not there's a value on the posted sales invoice line, it will show. If we enable this, this will then hide any of the lines, making our invoice a little bit more focused, a little bit cleaner, and focused on just what we're invoicing to the customer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up an invoice with this scenario. So we can see here that the swivel chair, 10 have been invoiced, but I haven't yet invoiced for the lamp. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print. First, I'm going to print without hiding the zero lines, and I'm going to go ahead and send that to a PDF. So we can see here that the swivel chair with the quantity of 10 that's been invoiced is showing. The lamp is also showing, even though the quantity that I've invoiced on this one is 0. If I were to do that again using the Sabre Production functionality, I could choose to say, well, hide the lamp because I haven't invoiced that. And again, keep things a little bit more focused. So now I can see that I was able to, without programming, render the results of just showing the customer what I invoiced them on this invoice 103216. For more information on this Sabre Production feature or any of the features in Sabre Production, please feel free to contact us using the information you see here.